Are you a large volume crypto trader constantly battling slippage and market impact on public exchanges? If you're moving 5-figure, 6-figure, or even larger crypto blocks, you know the struggle is real. Placing a huge order on the open market can instantly move the price against you, eating into your profits before the trade is even complete. That's exactly why Kraken has built out its over-the-counter, or OTC, service. This isn't your everyday trading experience. Kraken's OTC desk is a premium, specialized service designed for high-net-worth individuals, institutional investors, and anyone needing to execute significant trades discreetly and efficiently. So, what makes Kraken OTC the solution for large traders? It all comes down to 3 key pillars: deep liquidity, discreet execution, and white glove service. First, deep liquidity. When you're trading over $50,000, you need an order filled, not just partially executed. Kraken's OTC desk aggregates liquidity from a vast network of sources, ensuring you get a single, confirmed quote for your entire order before you commit. This deep pool of capital means tighter spreads and minimal price disruption, which is the whole point of moving off the main exchange. Second, discreet execution. This is massive for serious traders. When you trade on Kraken OTC, your large orders are filled off the public order books. This confidentiality prevents market watchers from front-running your moves, protecting your trade from unnecessary volatility and slippage. You get price certainty and security, a competitive advantage in the high-stakes world of institutional crypto. Finally, white glove service. Kraken understands that large trades require personalized attention. Their experienced global team is available 24/7, providing one-on-one consultation, expert market insights, and flexible settlement options, often within 24 hours. You can execute trades via a simple, secure chat or use their automated request for quote feature through the OTC portal, Kraken Pro, or Kraken Custody. They work with you to tailor the solution, whether you're trading spot assets or looking into OTC derivatives like options and structured products. The minimum trade size for Kraken OTC has been lowered to an equivalent of just $50,000, making this institutional-grade service accessible to a broader range of serious traders. If your goal is precision, confidentiality, and competitive execution on large crypto blocks, Kraken OTC is engineered for your success. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.